Hi guys, and welcome back to Black Stag Styling. So we've got something a bit different in with us for today. It's not a vehicle, not a car, not a motorbike, nothing like that. On this occasion we are doing a prosthetic limb for a gentleman. So we are going to be prepping this and then painting it in a gold that the customer has chosen. So it's a Toyota colour. We've done the prosthetic limbs before. In the past we've done them with the hydro dipping finish. We haven't got any videos of this on our channel, but we are doing this one as a video. Hopefully for anybody else out there with any prosthetic limbs that they would like to do something a bit cool with, really, something a bit different. So this one, like I say, is going to be done in the gold. We'll be prepping it. So go over to Fraser in a minute. He'll start prepping it all up. We'll then mask it all out, primer it, and then re-prep it, and then do it in the gold, and then a nice gloss lacquer over the top, which will give it the protection. And then normal thing, back to the customer. Right, so don't forget, like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notifications. Stay fully up to date with everything we're doing. We've got some more really cool videos coming up from everything, like we say, from styling to repairs, possibly some more prosthetic limbs, who knows. So, right, let's crack on, get it into the workshop with young Fraser, and we'll start getting it ready. Happy days. Cool. Right, so we're over at Fraser's now prepping the leg,
I
aren't we?
didn't see you there.
Hello, mate. I sneak up on you.
You did a little bit.
Again.
You should have said, you know, I want to do some filming, action, then I would have known what was going on.
Oh,
mate,
right, okay, we'll do that next time.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Right, what are we doing, pal?
Just prepping up this leg, mate.
Superb.
Going to paint it gold. That's going to look blinging.
It is.
And wicked and crisp.
So just prepping it up.
Prep up red scotch.
Lovely, thank you very much.
Red scotch, mate, and then we'll prime it.
Cool. I'll let you carry on. Here we go, getting a little bit of masking up done so that we don't get any of the primer in areas where we don't want primer. Isn't that right?
Exactly what I was thinking, mate. Exactly what I was thinking. You don't get it on your shoes, do you? So
no, exactly, mate, exactly. So masking up the bit where the lower section of the leg is bolted onto, and then a few other little bits. There's a valve apparently at the back, so that'll be masked up as well.
I'm just going to go and get a phone and just mask up that little bit there.
Superb. And that'll be all ready to primer.
So just going to give it a quick degrease now, mate. And then we're going to put some adhesion promoter on it. And then we're going to prime it up, mate.
Lovely.
Yeah, it will be.
Right, a little bit of adhesion promoter going on. Here we go, time to get a bit of primer on in a moment. Right, so we're just going to go and see Fraser. He's in the spray booth now with the the prosthetic leg section all prepped and ready to be painted, I think. So we're going to see how he's getting on. Don't forget, we do lots of other finishes as well for lots of other different things. But if you do have a prosthetic limb and want to do something a bit different, we've got painted finishes, we've got specialist painted finishes, and of course we've got our hydro dipping, which I shall just show you. So here's our board with all our different finishes on. I'll give you a little look at them. We've got painted finishes as well, and we've got our custom paint finishes, which are sort of over here. Rest of our hydro dipping finishes. There we go. Give us a shout if we can help with any of these. Black Stag Styling or AW Smart Repairs. Just check us out, Instagram and Facebook. Give us a call, pop in and see us, be happy to help. Here we go, a bit of degreasing, are we, Fraser?
Yeah, a bit of degreasing, mate, just before we paint it.
Lovely. So all primed, look at that. Managed to lose the grain from the carbon fibre, so give a nice finish with the colour. Here we go, right, going to get a little bit of colour on. Hi guys, and thanks for checking out this latest video of ours with the painting of the prosthetic limb, or the top section of the gentleman's leg. It's looking really smart, this in the gold, so hopefully you've enjoyed sort of watching this, something a little bit different. Don't forget we also do the hydro dipping finishes as well, so if anything like this is of interest, then please do give us a shout. Check out our website. We've got all the different painted finishes, custom paint finishes, and of course the hydro dipping. Right, so thanks for watching. As always, like and subscribe to our channel. Please turn on the notifications, stay fully up to date with everything we're doing, and we will catch you again soon. Thanks for watching.